Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AT Media. Today I'm going to show you how I created this super cute robot in MS Paint. It's really cute, simple, fun and perfect if you are just starting with the digital drawing. So let's get started. First I started by drawing the head. I used the ellipse tool to make it a big round shape and then I filled it with the light blue color. This gives the robot soft and friendly look. Now let's draw the body. To make it look like more robotic, I added little antennas on the top of the head. Next, I added the face area. I drew the smaller oval inside the head and colored it like dark navy blue. Then I added two big round eyes with the highlights to make them sparkle and a tiny smile in the center. Cute, right? I made a triangle like shape pointing downward and gave it a glowing cyan on the chest panel. I added curved arms on the sides with the matching blue gloves and gave the arms and the body a smooth outline with the darker blue. This makes the robot stand out more. For the finishing touch, I added a soft shadow below the robot and some floating blue hearts around it. This makes it look like the robot is hovering happily in the air. And that's it. Our cute little robot is completely ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.